Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to open App Store on LG Smart TV. Now, in your LG Smart TV, we have one app like App Store or Play Store, but it's different, okay? It's different because in your TV you can find that app. His name is LG Content Store. In my TV, that app is that color pink, okay? But I have other TV in my living room, and in this TV, this app has the color blue, like this, okay? If you want, you can find it with LG Content Store open, and you can find different apps here, like Netflix, Prime Video, Crunchyroll, Hulu, Crackle, games. I don't know. Is just Play Store. Now, if you want Play Store, exactly Play Store in your TV, you can have a different system, okay? A different launcher, like Chromecast, okay? This is how put Android TV in your LG TV, okay? But this is another thing. This is different way. This is other option. If you want your Play Store or App Store in your TV, is that, okay? This is all for this video. Have a good day and see you later.